see, we here is trash. So we're gonna fix it as much as possible. I'm gonna try to lay it down and slick it back. Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a slick bun tutorial and I'm gonna show y'all how I make my edges. So right now I'm just making a part and adding water to help me easier detangle my hair. I'm gonna brush it until, you know, my scalp bleeds basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some Eco Styler gel to help me lay and further slay my hair. Right. So I'm just gonna add enough until I get the perfect mold that I want. I don't know why I had this tiny ass comb when I have other better combs, but whatever. So I'm just keep brushing and brushing until I get it to lay down as much as I can. I'm going to secure it with 2 hair ties, and then I'm going in with my Got2b Glue to really get that sleek look that we want, because this glue has changed my life, honestly. Like, I don't think I'm ever going back. Like, my life has to include Got2b Glue now. So I'm trying to go in and start the swoop. I don't really like the swoop, but I feel like it's necessary. It gives my head like this awkward little look, but I don't know. I think it's necessary. So now I'm just going to secure this ponytail with 2 hair ties. And then after that, I'm going to go around in this donut motion circular thing and make a bun. I don't really care if my bun isn't slick or like really nice. I just want the front to appear nice. That's all I care about. Alright, so we're going to continue to swoop the front. Trying to make it as clean as possible. Make sure to get behind the ears because those hairs stick out sometimes. So now we're getting ready to lay the edges and carve my edges out because I wasn't born with grown baby hairs and I didn't know how to do that, so I just carve them in my head. So basically I just kind of like start at an angle and then try to swoop it out. My hair isn't naturally this laid, obviously, as you can see. Like, it's a lot of gel and like Got2b Glue on there, so that's why it's coming out like that. But you also don't want to let it get too dry because you want to be able to mold it as you go, obviously. So you can have that desired look. You got to learn like what amount of Got2b Glue and whatever like works for you so that you can have, you know, the acquired edge style of your choice, whatever. So yeah, I'm going in getting all the little flyaways, and now I'm going to go in with my scarf and we're going to bake our edges for 15 minutes on 350 degrees for the best results. Now time for the unveiling. What's the word? I don't know, who cares. And there she is, the baddest in the land, the cutest, and the girl who will take your man. Okay, all right, I'm about to go. All right, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.